Welcome to Zidam Astrology once again. This is your reading for the Earth Trine, all ascendants of the Earth Trine, comprising Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. As you know, at Zidam Astrology, I always try to mix up things and don't get you bored or give you a routine that is the same old, as we say. So that for this period, I'm using a different spread, a different set of cards. So Earth Trine, here we go for you for the period October 24th to November 11th, 2022. And the first card we have here is the Clover card. And this is a first row card that I'm dealing with. And the first row has to do with your past. So we have the Clover here, which brings luck. Then we have the anchor, which is stability. You know, the anchor is something that anchors you down to the sea from the ship. And then the final card in the first row, we have the bouquet, which is all about happiness. So the past has given you luck, stability, and happiness. How are you going to transform that to a fulfilling legacy in the present? Because you know we don't want you to misuse the clover, because when the clover comes to, it's a short-term kind of luck. You know, it's a gamble, it's a risk, so that we don't want you to hide from your own luck, creating chaos. And the clover carries with it the six of diamonds, which is known as the payer card. And what does this have to do with the past for you? You know, do you owe someone and by luck they have not sought payment as yet? The anchor stays. um, Stability was a bit of a disappointment to you, I believe. And you know, was it short lived, that disappointment or the stability? You know, you were happy with the outcome though, because the bouquet is there. But what does that bring for your present? And your present brings the ship, and the ship is a journey, a travel. Probably you're running away from something, but have you resolved the issue? The snake says no, you have manipulated the issue. And the manipulation and cheating, what will be the outcome? The outcome will be a cross that you have to bear. So the present is telling you that the manipulation and cheating from the past will bring you pain and sorrow. You cannot get away from it. You know, as the ship was allowed to journey away, but the issue was not resolved because you ran away from whatever luck you had. You misuse your own luck, as it were, and you came on a journey, whether it is to another country or to another place, but you went on a journey that through manipulation, and it's going to bring you sorrow and pain in the present. And what does the future hold for you, Earth Trine? The future tells you that there's going to be some kind of passion, some kind of attraction. But what does the attraction lead you to? It leads you to anger and self punishment, which can bring death. And it can be a physical death. I'm sorry to say, Earth Trine. It can be a physical death that, you know, gives you the future. It's heartbreak. You might be attracted to someone in the future, but it's only about anger and self punishment. Why are you angry about having this attraction? And why is it going to bring death or an end to a situation? You know, Earth Trine, this is a really kind of up and down reading for you. While there is luck, it is short lived. It sent you on a journey which did not resolve the issue, and it's going to bring you an attraction that is going to bring an end to something because you are angered, and you are going to take self punishment from that. But what does the deity say? The deity says, I am a theete. I am the goddess of worthiness. And the element here is bush, which is earth. Earth trine, earth. But the words that we ascribe to a theete is I matter. A theete governs the fate of people on earth. You know, she's power of life, abundance, fortune, and wealth. And Fridays are sacred to her. You know, women carry specially colored beads as a rosary consecrated to this goddess, so that she is all about worthiness. And women use this deity to defend their rights and solve the arising conflict in society peacefully. It also outlines special cultural and ritual objects women used to promote peace, human rights, social justice, to overcome natural disasters through prayers, and to strike a balance between spirituality and the environment on earth. So Athete is telling us that we need to strike that balance. We have that luck, but our own actions may bring us a downfall. So that, we need to look at it and really bring peace and harmony. You matter. You matter to someone, you matter to yourself, you matter to the world. Don't be manipulative. Don't have that cross to bear, Take that journey, but resolve the issues because you matter. You are worthy of being something good. You are worthy of yourself. You are worthy of your family, of your spouse, of your friends. Bring an end to whatever situation that may bring you anger and self punishment. And this is what the deity is telling you. And then let's just check on a verse from the Bhagavad Gita, and it's the chapter 4, verse 34. And chapter 4 is all about knowledge and the disciplines of action, and it tells you learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. Enquire from him with reverence, and render service unto him. Such an enlightened saint can impart knowledge unto you, because he has seen the truth. So look for somebody who can guide you, who can use their wisdom and experience to tell you that, until you bathe in the dust of the lotus feet of a saint, you can never experience that transcendental platform, where approaching a guru with reverence, inquiring about the truth from him with humility, and pleasing him by rendering service, that you will get great happiness because he's going to bestow the knowledge of the scriptures and discrimination to you. And probably you're discriminating to yourself. So, Earth Trine, take that temple or mosque or mandir, that church, that room, that deity, that God that you uh, feel that connection with. Take some time with him for this period. Meditate, do yoga, approach somebody who has that kind of teaching that you would want to get from them, to just set your mind at ease and understand your worthiness so that you can move on, you can do the right thing at the right time in the right place. Earth Trine, this is a lesson for you to learn, to develop, to grow, and to understand that there are obstacles and pitfalls. But if you do the right thing, you are going to be worthy of yourself and of others. Earth Trine, Bhagwan's blessings has allowed me once again to bring you these messages, to bring you these truths. It's your choice, as I always say at Zidam Astrology. And I have done some tutorials that will be published within this month for you to understand why I do the tarot trine that I do, why I do transits that I do. So look out for those two tutorials on tarot and transit. I thank you for listening, and I hope something new and exciting enters your thoughts and enables your dreams. Be safe, happy, and healthy until we meet again. See you next time, and be sure to share, subscribe, and sign up. Thank you very much.